Fèlicie de Fauveau's marble tribute to Anne de la Pierre, completed in 1859, realistically portrays the artist's mother, her most loyal supporter. In Paris in the 1820s, de la Pierre's reputation had facilitated her daughter's debut as a high society artist. Years later, when Fèlicie was charged for her insurrectional activities, Anne also went to Vendée to share in her daughter's destiny. The pair lived for months in the same prison cell. Together, they later settled in Florence and established Fèlicie's studio in Via dei Seragli, not far from the church of Santa Maria del Carmine, where the sepulchral monument still stands today in the ancient cloister. Considered a preeminent example of 19th century sculpture, due to the portrait's deeply psychological nature, the monument became the focus of a significant restoration project aimed at recuperating its original dignity. Restorers removed the dust and black crusts, masking the work's chromatic contrasts and obscuring the relief's intricate decorative details. The cleaning process was carried out using lasers, which eliminated darkened residues while avoiding excessive whitening, thereby recovering original surface treatments, such as the gilding and patinas that de Fauveau used to augment the sculpture's refined luminous qualities. The monument's elaborate high-relief details, such as the floral motifs and the coat of arms at the architectural base, can now be fully appreciated. The dark frame surrounding the tondo was consolidated and touched up with color, while small brushstrokes of powdered gold were applied to the relief's background, wherever original gilding residue was found. This treatment imbued the entire surface with a luminous effect, just as de Fauveau intended. By filling losses in the architectural elements, draperies, and other damaged features, restorers recovered the monument's visual integrity. Particular attention was given to Anne de la Pierre's high-relief portrait. The artist had depicted her aged mother with unflinching realism, using virtuoso carving techniques. The right side of the chin, destroyed during the Second World War, was modeled and reconstructed directly on the sculpture by gauging the dimensions of the missing piece with the help of an ancient photograph showing the undamaged work. The addition was refinished and leveled to fit the rest of the face. A wax polish was subsequently applied to protect the work and enhance the movement's surface transparency, luminosity, and subtle chromatic variety.